Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my home. It's about 2 years since we moved in this home. I remember the time we arrived and how everything looks so different. Guys, we're home.
Alright, Mama's potbelly stove from Walmart.
After a month we stayed here, we planned to renovate the whole entire home. From the foundation to the roof. The renovation could give the opportunity to shape any space to your exact needs. And yes, there's something really wonderful about transforming what's there into what's possible. But the way to a perfect renovated home rarely runs smoothly. For us, it's quite challenging. From contractor to another contractor, making appointments of everything needs to be done. Yet, since this house needs to be gutted, the passing of time was really hard for us. So during the first contractor and the first stage of renovating our home, it's a quite hard process. My husband was away to work while me and the kids is home. While busy taking care of them, bringing and picking them up from school, I'm also dealing with the contractors and other people that works in our house. After we failed in a couple contractor we hired to work in our home, still it's a long process, and we stay flexible and positive. Thankfully, after we found the right contractor, they help us and guide us for a smooth renovation process. And now our home is fully renovated and done. So for me, it is time to celebrate it and appreciate even the tiny spaces and corners in this home. Ready to put a hole in
Shower.
No, this for the washing machine. This is different kind of blue. Now we're living in a fully renovated house. It makes us feel more safe and secure. For the past 2 years living around here, I love how we're having a land surrounded with the beautiful mountains and trees. A very peaceful place. That now we called home. Thank you for having me, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.